Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making caramel walnut cake. You're going to need half a cup oil, 2/3 cup sugar, 1.5 cups flour, 1 cup sour cream, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 2 eggs, and 1/4 cup milk. First, let's prepare the cake batter. In a large bowl, add 2 eggs, sour cream, add oil, add milk, and then with the hand mixer, mix it all well. Then add sugar, and again mix it. Then we're going to sift flour, baking powder, and baking soda. When you have little rocks left over, throw them away. Then with the hand mixer, mix it well until it's combined and smooth. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now set it on the side, and now we're going to start making topping. You're going to need 2 cups of walnuts or pecans, half a cup butter, half a cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup honey. We're going to start by chopping walnuts. Just break them into smaller pieces. Add butter in a frying pan and let it melt. Now we're going to add brown sugar, salt, add honey, and then cook it until it starts boiling. Add walnuts and mix it in. Remove from heat and pour the topping into the lined pan, spreading it evenly. I use 10.5-inch baking pan, but you can use similar size. And I covered the entire baking pan with the parchment paper. Now we're going to add cake batter. Carefully pour the batter over the topping in the pan and spread it evenly. Preheat your oven to 350, bake it for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the top is golden. Remove from the oven and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Stick the butter knife and see if it comes out clean. If it's clean, then it's good. If it's not, you need to put it a little bit longer in the oven. Place a serving plate over the pan. Invert the cake onto the plate. Carefully lift the pan off and serve. The caramel walnut cake looks incredible. The caramel glaze and crunchy walnuts make it irresistible, absolutely mouth-watering. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.